I think we can all agree that lung sounds are extremely hard to recognize, so let's go through the abnormal ones together. And this is your PSA to turn your volume up. Okay, first one we have here is wheezing. Keyword here is musical. It's a continuous sound produced by narrowed airways. Think wheezing, whistle like a musical. Let's listen. Now, stridor has a similar sound to wheezing, and it's continuous, but it usually occurs due to a blockage of airflow in the trachea, like an obstruction or croup. Let's listen. And then we have rhonchi. Think of a rhino. They make low-pitched, deep sounds. This one is also continuous, but it often clears with coughing. Let's listen. Now, there are two types of crackles, fine and coarse. These are intermittent and brief sounds. Fine sounds like when you are moving your fingers through your hair, and coarse